Racing just is started. We have Symphony. Break quickly restart. Running by the release Princess Angelica. Sikuda in between horses. Laon Laan. Supervise comes next. Abateka. No peso, no dance. My cup of tea. While Hurricane Ali is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Symphony. And on the outside second is Laon Laan. Princess Angelica comes next. A length and a half further back in fourth comes Sikuda. No Fesso, no dance. Then comes Supervise My Cup of Tea. Hurricane Ali, Abateka. Now racing less, half mile distance. They traveled. We have Symphony maintaining a half length lead. And in second is Laon Laan. 6 lengths further back in third comes No Fesso, no dance. Princess Angelica, Sikuda, My Cup of Tea, Hurricane Ali, Supervise, while Abateka is still racing in less than the fourth turn. Two runners keep on fire out for the lead. Laon Laan now takes command by about 3/4 of a length lead. Symphony shovel back in second. No Fesso, no dance comes next. Princess Angelica, My Cup of Tea is down on the inside as they swing for home. We have Laon Laan by about 2 lengths. Moving up now down on the inside is My Cup of Tea. No Peso, no dance is on the outside. Laon Laan, No Peso, no dance, My Cup of Tea. And finally, Laon Laan. Second is No Peso, no dance, My Cup of Tea. Princess Angelica and Hurricane Ali for your Pentapecta.
8-5 ng Manila Horsepower members. Alam nyo ba kung bakit? Dahil itong race na to, in honor of our paboritong congresswoman ng Manila Horsepower, at ito'y walang iba kung hindi ang pinakamaganda. Pagamat hindi siya ang pinakamalaki sa Kongreso, small but terrible, walang iba kung hindi si Congresswoman Monique Lagdameo, Your Honor. Alright. At syempre, lalabas na tayo para makita natin yung mga bossing natin dito. Kasama rin natin sa awarding presentation. Walang iba kung hindi si Councilor Arnold Magpantay. Lagi rin natin kasama yan. Sir, kumusta Boracay, sir? Hi, sir. Alright, Councilor Leo Magpantay, sir. Ayan. Make some noise naman. Ayan. Former Councilor Luis Javier. Yes, alright. At ang paboritong kapitan, although yung lahat ng kapitan ng Makati, paborito ng Manila Horsepower, may isa tayong bukod tanging idol at paborito dyan. Walang iba. Batang-bata. Kapitan Abong Guse. Yes! Alright! At kung merong paborito tayong kapitan dyan, meron din tayong paboritong konsehal. Walang iba kung hindi si MHP Chairman, President, Original President, and Chairman ay walang iba. President ba, Chairman, sir? President! President, alright, excuse me. Walang iba. Palakpakan natin si Konsehal Ferdy Eusebio in the house! Alright. At pagka may mga magagandang lalaki, may magandang lalaki rin tayong kasamang racing manager ng Manila Jockey Club. Walang iba, kung hindi si racing manager Ding Magbuo. At pag may magagandang lalaki, may magaganda rin mga babae. Kilala nyo na sila, si Justin at saka si Denise. Alright. Huwag niyo kalimutan yung natin, spill natin namin. Alright! Umahaba na istoryahan natin. Baka tayo kapusin sa oras kasi lahat ng karera dito sa San Lazaro on time umpisahan. Kaya tatawagin na natin ang representative ng kabayong nanalo sa race number 3, si Laon Laan. Mr. Nun Nordin, are you in the house? Parang gumawa po si Mr. Nordin, ah. Alright. Alright. Ayan, tumanggap na ang plake. Tawagin naman natin, siyempre, itong karera na to, may kasama na naman isang mountain bike para sa winning group. Sir, sino ang natin? Sota natin.
Roberto Basco.
Roberto Basco! Mr. Basco, halika rito, tanggapin mo ng bisikleta mo. Omi. Omi Peña Flor daw. Omi Peña Flor. Omi! Na si Omi. Halika, bilis! Pare, wala tayong oras! Ernie, pinaghandaan niyo ba itong kabayo na to, kay Nordin?
Oo naman.
Pare, birthday niya noong February 29. Kaibigan natin yan. Minsan lang mag-birthday yan, every 4 years. Sir Nordin, if you're around, pare, happy birthday, my friend. Okay, Mr. Nepomuceno? Alright, Mr. Nepomuceno rin. Congratulations. Di pa nalipat. Ayan ang mountain bike mo, Omi. At habang pinagmamasdan mo yan, kakausapin ko muna si favorite, Your Honor. Your Honor, ma'am, a few words para sa bayang karirista.
Opo, bati lang po ako sa mga bayang karirista ng magandang hapon, lalo na ho lahat ng tiga Makati na nanonood sa atin ngayong hapon. At syempre, happy anniversary sa Manila Horsepower Organization. Salamat!
Kita niyo naman, Congresswoman, woman of few words, pero nagtatrabaho. Napakinggan pala kita ng isang araw sa DCMM. Kapon mo yan, di ba? Ang dami nilang project dyan sa District 1. Alright, ng Makati. Once again, congratulations, Mr. Ernie Ladiana, Kiomi, at Bayang Karirisa. Palakpakan natin ang mga kaibigan natin sa Makati! Yes! Steady lang kayo dyan, Bayang Karirisa, dahil magbabalik pa ang
Manila Horsepower Organization Racing Festival
dito lang sa
San Lazaro Leisure Park.
And we will be right back.